Inspired by Esme salad, this is based on my friend Mariam's tomato salad. This recipe will get you into tomato salad. It's so addictive, super healthy, and great for an appetizer. It can be a perfect side dish for any meat dish. It can be a midday snack with some flatbread. It's so versatile, and I could go on and on. Basically, dice tomatoes and onions finely, and chop the other ingredients finely as well. You can adjust salt and lime juice as you go. Taste it and make it suit your taste. I hope you love this salad as much as I do.